Right, but one argument is that if you do social impact assessment, it takes a lot of time, first thing, and second thing also that, in acquiring land for industrial projects, this is one thing that investors fear, because you start getting into the social impact assessment mess, and it takes a lot of time, and the projects don't really take, it takes generally from 2 to 5 years to acquire a land, then go ahead with, building an industry, and then
to restrict 5 years period also if you don't implement within 5 years.
So there are feasibility challenges. How do you actually implement something which is as crucial as a social impact assessment?
What I feel that if social impact assessment is as far as this part is concerned, what Government of India should have done, suppose if the property is self-acquired,
right,
then you may delay it. But if this is a traditional property, I have acquired by heredity, but suppose I am there by the fourth generation, I am the crop property is there. My son, my grandson, they are not even aware that this property is going from me. And suppose compensation I am taking, whatever compensation is there, I will spend. Many of the people I know, they have spent crores of crores, and their children they don't have anything to spend.
Right.
There is certain, it should be there. Suppose if government is paying compensation 4 times or 5 times, there should be a specific provision that yes, this part must be kept for the children, must be kept for the other minors, who are today they are minors. They don't know what their parents are doing. Suppose if it's self-acquired property, that is a different case. But if it is a traditional property, you got it by heredity, how can you just take the entire compensation? The other part, I'm coming on that. The social impact assessment is must. Suppose today I have 5 acres, the neighbors they advise you don't sell it. What you are just spoiling it. You please try to save for your children. You do all kind of advice. Suppose if government comes in that role, what is harm into it? And it is not time taking at all. I am telling that in Maharashtra, I must praise Mr. Agarwal, Nitin Gadkari. Nitin Gadkari has done wonderful job. What Mr. Haq was telling.
Housing for
yes,
poor.
For housing and also in the road projects and all kind of other developmental projects, he has done wonders. But at the same time, there are many other state governments, they are not actually doing the same.
Okay, so are you saying that this provision, which is the amendment suggested in the 2013 original act, the government should think about it and should actually bring in the concept of social impact assessment, even if the project is under the 5 major categories as suggested by the government? I
am telling not only in the 5 categories. Suppose if it is not my self-acquired property and I am selling it to anybody, it should be there. It is required. For suppose if I am selling it to you or selling it to any private entity, even that this provision should be there, and government should introduce this part.
Okay. Now, one major argument.
There's just one more point that I wanted to raise, because Dr. Haq had said